In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Mailchimp with Amazon. Whether you're a small business owner or an Amazon seller, this integration can save you a ton of time and help you create powerful email marketing campaigns. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share some tips on maximizing this integration that you don't want to miss. First, let's get started with the basics. To integrate Mailchimp with Amazon, the first thing you need is a Mailchimp account and an Amazon seller account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up for both of them. Mailchimp is one of the best email marketing platforms out there, and integrating it with Amazon allows you to manage your email campaigns and customer interactions more efficiently. Next, we're going to use a third-party integration tool called Zapier. Zapier is a platform that connects different apps and automates workflows between them. You can use Zapier to link Mailchimp with Amazon seamlessly. First, head over to Zapier and sign up or log into your account. After that, click on Create Zap, which is Zapier's term for setting up a workflow. The fourth thing you need to do is connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier. In Zapier, select Mailchimp as your trigger app. You'll then be asked to log in to your Mailchimp account and authorize Zapier to access it. Once that's done, you can select the trigger event, such as when a new subscriber joins your list or when someone purchases from your Amazon store. Now, the next thing is to connect your Amazon account to Zapier. While Zapier doesn't support direct Amazon seller account integration out of the box, you can connect it using Amazon's Marketplace Web Service, MWS. If you're new to MWS, it's essentially Amazon's API that allows you to access your Amazon seller data and integrate it with other tools. You'll need your MWS API keys for the step, which you can find in your Amazon Seller Central account. Once your Amazon seller account is connected, the fifth step is to set the action for the Zap. For example, you can set it so that when a new order is placed on Amazon, the customer is added to your Mailchimp list. You can also automate actions like sending a follow-up email to customers based on their purchase behavior. This integration can really enhance your email marketing efforts. The next thing you'll want to do is test the integration. In Zapier, you can test the trigger and action to make sure everything is working properly. When testing, make sure that your customer data is being correctly passed from Amazon to Mailchimp, and that Mailchimp is sending the emails as you expect. Finally, once you've set up your integration and tested it, you can turn on the Zap, and it will run automatically. Now, every time a new order is placed on Amazon, your customers will be added to your Mailchimp list, and you can start sending personalized marketing emails. This automated flow can help boost customer engagement and sales. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use Mailchimp and Zapier for free. In fact, we've got an exclusive deal for you to get an extended free trial by clicking the first link below. It's the best way to try out the integration without any commitment. So, to recap, sign up for both Mailchimp and Amazon seller accounts, connect them using Zapier, and automate your email marketing workflow. This integration can save you time and effort while boosting your marketing campaigns. If you want more detailed tips, don't forget to check the link for that extended free trial.